Step into the 2012 Acura MDX. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an outside temperature display, a power rear cargo door, and power front seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.